Hi, this is P R Sundar bringing a special report on Dalal Street Week Ahead from Sisu Valley near Manali. Last Friday, the market has fallen so much, and in fact, it looked exactly same as the Friday just after February expiry. If you can remember, on Friday, the first trading session of March, Nifty fell 700 points and Bank Nifty fell more than 2000 points. And on Friday, that is day before yesterday, the Nifty fell about 500 points from the high and Bank Nifty nearly 1000 points. In fact, I was wondering why the Nifty was trying to gap up more than 250 points on Friday morning. And Thursday, our markets were closed due to Shivratri, and the global cues were okay. All of them are up by 0.5% or 0.25%. But of course, Nasdaq did much better. That's because the Nasdaq fell the most before that. And in fact, I tweeted also, for no reason, the Nifty is trying to gap up more than 200 points. Is it right time to short the Nifty? And even at that point of time, I did not think the Nifty will break 15,000. So, market opened around 200 point gap up and then sustained for about 2 to 3 hours. And as usual, around 1:30, the institutional selling came and the market fell drastically. And this resembles the Friday 2 weeks before. And I was thinking that the first 2 weeks were consolidation with huge volatility, and I thought the next 2 weeks may be trending upwards. But contrary to my expectation, the market has fallen. And I did not think Nifty will break 15,000, and it touched almost 14,950, then recovered a little bit. But the closing was about 15,000. And then later, after our market closed, SGX Nifty indicating slightly higher, around 15,100. And that is once again back to the square. That is 15,100 is where the Nifty closed in February expiry. The whole of March, markets are making a very big move, but on a close-to-close basis, even after 2 weeks, we are almost at the same place. And no need to tell who will be making the best possible money without much risk. It is the people who have created the short straddle. And if you can remember, on the very first day, I said 15,000 short straddle was trading around. If you can remember, I said 15,000 short straddle was trading around 800 rupees on the first trading day of the series. Now I think it should be trading around 600 rupees, a 200 rupees profit, and despite making such a big violent move. On Friday, I can see that the huge amount of calls are written from 15,200 and above. That is probably people would have sold a lot of put options when the market was opening around all-time high, and when the market reversed, probably they are taking the hedged positions. So anyway, by looking at the market action, the upside seems to be limited to 15,500. At the same time, markets might not fall much also. And it was a huge gap up, and short sellers utilized the opportunity to short the market. Other than that, if you look at the institutional figures, the selling was not that much. Last time, that is the first Friday, when the market fell 700 points, the FIA sold huge amount. I think it's more than 8,000 crores. But whereas last Friday, it was not even 1,000 crores. So institutional activity is not the main reason for this fall. Probably because of huge gap up very near to the all-time high, people would have taken long position when the market fell, that stop loss could have triggered and so on. So other than that, nothing to worry big about this fall on Friday. This is just a normal fall, and markets may correct a little bit more, or may consolidate, or even it may go slightly higher also. For the coming week, though I could not study the data very well due to my holiday, but I still feel that the Nifty will be trading between 14,500 and 15,500. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.